In this video, we are going to learn about LLMs and agents. Okay, so in the AI powered world today in 2026, if you are a test automation engineer or QA engineer, you have to know the LLMs and agents difference. Okay, what is LLM, what is agent, you have to know. So in this video, we are going to talk about all those things. Okay, so please watch this video till the very end, otherwise you will not understand the things in a better way. So first, let us talk about LLM. So the full form of LLM is large language model. Okay, so what is large language model? So on a day-to-day basis, we know ChatGPT, then we know Claude, okay, we know Google Gemini, okay, we know DeepSeek. There are many other models in the market nowadays. Okay, so what are all those things? These are large language models or LLMs. Okay, so LLMs takes the request and gives the response in the form of chat. Okay, so we can do several actions, or we can perform several things with the help of LLM, such as reviewing document, summarizing document, writing email, then writing a document, drafting things, then getting some information. We can do many things with the help of LLMs, and this is very important, this is very helpful, but we cannot do any actions with the LLM. Okay, the limitation of LLM is that we cannot perform API testing, that is authentication. It cannot do, it cannot no, such as write code. Okay, it cannot write code, it cannot develop. Now we are going to talk about AI workflows. Okay, so we have discussed the LLMs at the beginning of the video. Now we are going to talk about AI workflows. This is the level 2. Okay, so there are a lot of tools, workflow tools. One of the example is N8N. You can search in Google N8N. So what is workflows? So to understand the AI workflow, first of all you have to understand the terminology of workflow. So what is workflow? For example, on a day-to-day basis, we do a lot of tasks. For example, we cook food, right? So cooking food is a workflow. We need some inputs. For example, inputs is the things that we need, such as masala, then some leaves, then some other ingredients we need, right? This is known as input. Then it performs it gives the output. Okay, it gives the output, it does some actions and gives the output. So this is known as workflow. There are n number of workflows on a day-to-day basis that we perform. Okay, so by the help of AI workflow, we can reduce our manual task. Okay, this is known as workflow. Okay, now we are going to talk about AI agents. This is one of the most important thing. Okay, so if you are liking the explanation or the way, okay, please comment down below that you have understood. So what is AI agent? So AI agent can act. Okay, so as we have seen in the previous section of the video, that LLM can only answer your questions, but it cannot act, but AI agents can act. Okay, so if you, for example, take an LLM, that is ChatGPT or DeepSeek, they cannot act or do any actions. Example is that, suppose you can book a flight, like you want to book a flight or the train. Okay, so AI agent can search the flight, AI agent can compare the price, AI agent can select the best option. I hope that this video helped you to understand the difference between LLM, workflows and AI agent. This is a very important topic in 2026 to know as a QA engineer, because if you don't know these topics, you will struggle a lot. Subscribe my YouTube channel, like, share and comment down below if you found this video helpful. I'll see you in the next video.